In this video, we're going to learn how to use Minitab to create a pie chart. And we're going to do this homework problem as an example. So I'm going to start by copying and pasting my data into Minitab. Notice that this data table has a header row. So the headers of the columns are label, education level, and percentage. So when I paste the data into Minitab, I'm going to paste it into the top row here, the gray row, so that the headers go there, and my data starts in row 1. So now I have my data pasted in there. I'm going to go to graph and then go down to pie chart, which is all the way towards the bottom here. And this is summarized data in my table. So I have the percentages here in each category. I do not have raw data, which would be basically a column that contains everyone's response to their education level. If I had raw data, I would choose counts of unique values. I have summarized data, so I'm going to choose summarized data in a table. Click OK. Now for my categorical variable, that's going to be the labels that I want on the pie slices. So in this case, if you look at the homework problem, they have the pies labeled with the A, B, C, D, and E label, or I could use the actual education level in my pie chart if I wanted to do that. I will go ahead and use the labels to match the homework problem. And then summary variables is going to be the column that contains the numerical values that you want for each slice of the pie. So I'm going to choose the percentage column for that. Now I'm going to click on options, and some options that I want to select are going to be these label slices. So I'm going to label the slices with category name and percent, and then click OK, and click OK again. And here is my pie chart. Now something funky happened with this pie chart because you see I have this blue area that's 50% of the graph that does not have a category label. So what happened is my homework problem gave me this row that has the total of 100%. That is being used as one of the slices. So that total is this blue slice here. Now I don't really want that because that doesn't really make sense. I just want the percentages for the first 5 rows here to be the slices of my pie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete those values here so that Minitab does not use that as one of the pie slices. And then I can go to graph and make my graph again, or I can just click on create new results and it will do it right away for me. So here I have my pie chart, and now this is the correct pie chart where I have each of the 5 categories for education level. So now I would use this pie chart to select the correct pie chart in the homework problem, or in a data analysis assignment, I would copy and paste it using this drop-down arrow here. And that's how you make a pie chart in Minitab.